ate pizza for lunch. I ate pizza for lunch. I climbed the Mutian last week. I climbed the Mutian last week. I won the game. I won the game. I worked on the project all day. I worked on the project all day. I wrote a letter to my grandmother. I wrote a letter to my grandmother. I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. I sang karaoke last night. I sang karaoke last night. She drank a cup of tea. She drank a cup of tea. I slept for 8 hours last night. I slept for 8 hours last night. I feel of the bike. I feel of the bike. I went to the beach yesterday. I went to the beach yesterday. I had a meeting early this morning. I had a meeting early this morning. I felt happy about the good news. I felt happy about the good news. I eat sushi for dinner. I eat sushi for dinner. I drove to work by ear. I drove to work by ear. I cooked a delicious meal yesterday. I cooked a delicious meal yesterday. I hung the picture on the wall. I hung the picture on the wall. I painted the fence white. I painted the fence white. I danced all night. I danced all night. I rode my bicycle. I rode my bicycle. I studied for the exam. I studied for the exam. I swam in the pool. I swam in the pool. I took notes during the lecture. I took notes during the lecture. I walked my dog in the park. I walked my dog in the park.